Assalamu alaikum. 21st October 2020 headlines. Sindh police top brass defer protest leave after assurances. Deaths from coronavirus up by 140%, says minister. Imran angry over delay in wheat import. Commanders review surge in terrorist incidents. Another case against PMLN for staging procession without NOC. ATC extends pre-arrest bail of Safdar. Mics to be muted in US debate to avoid interruptions. Sweden bars Huawei ZTE from auction of 5G networks. Turkey evacuates large military post in Syria. Israel UAE agree to visa-free travel as ties deepen. Zimbabwe's Indian coach opts out of Pakistan tour. Aleem to officiate in 5 matches of Zimbabwe series. England's tour to Pakistan will be huge achievement, says Moeen. Allah Hafiz.